Okay, well, I'm Violet,
And I'm Sydney.
and right now we're just making a random video in my friend's house. Not her house, just my friend's house because she left us because she had plans. So we're bored right now. We're just making some videos, and I hope you like this. Teehee, and we'll make some more videos, okay?
No, don't hang up yet, cause we're watching
Wizards away from me?
Wizards of Waverly Place. Dun, 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 dun. And this is
You know
Sydney
everything's
on the
gonna be a breeze,
broadcast.
and you know everything's gonna be a breeze, and we have no that just above our knees.
You can mix any problem to the
slightest of ease. Yes, please.
Get in the camera.
Green, I found out it'll go in your hand when you're at a pour on the brick you never ran.
Get in the camera. Oh yeah, I gotta switch this.
That's what I say, yeah.
Ding.
Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding. Spencer loves to play the banjo.
Well, I
Wait. Peace
I gotta go. Okay, bye. Peace.
It's in her mouth. That's gross.